Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Trades People's Tips. Today we have this Voltrex Plus air fryer. We have our knife ready to get started on it. We're going to unbox it and see what it does. It's got 6 in 1. I can't see because I ain't got my goggles on, so I'm pointing to it and you can have a quick read. There's the instructions, and or should I say the actual device. And yeah, let's bust this thing open and see what we have. The knife is there, again straight there. There we go. Up under there. Go back that way and there that way. Go back under it. Talking to myself now, I'm not losing the plot. It's just the way I do what I do, how I do. Sometimes I do. Okay? Alright. That's near enough there. Bust that out. Let me just get back so you can get a shot. Have a quick eyeball on there. Alright, next we just pop that open. Whoa, got it on the side. I'm gonna stand that bad boy up. Almost dropped it. No, I did not. Just saying that be a bit of drama. Okay, there you go. Put it on top of the stove. Get more room. Alright, get that back. That open. That open. What we have here? We have what looks like a tray that probably goes to the bottom of the dish. So we're gonna put that to one side. In here we have a little instruction booklet. People, these things, I do these things kind of randomly, so right now I'm doing this, I haven't got my glasses, so bear with me, yeah? Chuck that over there. There, I'm not sure what that is, but we have a bit of polystyrene. So if we lift that out some way, somehow. It's been a nightmare. Get our knife, get it in between there, and go upwards. No, that doesn't work. It seems like you have to take the whole thing out. And that seems to work better. There we go. Got that out, and the cable seems to go through here, so that was our plug. Though we could not see it properly, it was our plug. So if we rest that on there, inside here, there we go. That's how it comes. So if we pull this off, yeah, there it is. We're gonna need 2 hands to get this out of the box. So let me just get this out of the box and come back to you. 1 second. Okay, there it is. And inside our box there's nothing else. Okay, so if we put that to one side, just park it up over there for a minute. This is our thingamajig. Alright, so let's take the cover off of it. I didn't even read the instruction on warning and warranty and no warning. Okay, put that there, and this is what we have, ladies and gentlemen. So if we pull that out of there, that's our mains cable. There you go. On it you got this little plastic thingamajig. You just got to take that off. There you go, and you plug that in. Alright, your tray, your drawer, pulls that out of there. You have a little instruction or warning or whatever it is that I have dropped, and have a look at that before you start doing your business. Okay, put it over there, and that is it. Nothing else opens or closes on it. This little knob here that turns left and right, right and left, that's that. Let's have a look inside what we have. We have a eating ring element at the top. So that would be like one of them old-fashioned electric cooker. Yeah, and then we have that. Right. Then we have our tray with a little bit of plasticky thing on there. So we remove that. I'm sure we don't need that. That's just to stop the drawer falling out while it's in transit. Pull that one off. same again. Don't need them. This now sits in there. So we take that out. Take it out of the bag. It's got upside or downside. We're not sure yet. This makes sense. The handle is there to take it out, so it must go in that way. So we put that in there just like that, and that goes in there like that. Okay, switch our plug on. Let's see what we got here. Voila. Okay, I have a little basic idea on this. Okay, air fryer. Press that, and then you turn this to set your time to start again. I think I may have pressed something too much there. Nothing is happening. Air fryer. Then light. What's this light? Press that. Oh, go on here, so. Eh? Press. There's other light inside of there. That is wicked. That is quite nice. Never seen that before, but that's what that does. Right. Then you got your timer here. Press that one, and you turn your thingamajig to set the time. And I'm sure if you press it again, it gives you the temperature. No, sorry, the first one was the temperature. This one is the time. So 16 minutes. Over this side, that's your hour. That's your minute. That's your temperature. Okay. And then once you've done all that, then you press your start, which is just there to get you going. You may have to heat this up first before you, you know what I mean? Give it a dry run to burn off whatever is inside of it and everything. But yeah, it is pretty good. It is pretty nice. It looks the part. So when we do some bits and pieces in it, what we're gonna do is update you on it. But for now, that's just the unboxing. That's what you get. There's your box. Put your bits in it. Alright, now you don't want to dispose of your box too quickly, should in case you discover you have a problem with your air fryer. Yeah, so you need to store this away somewhere, somehow, until you decided you're happy with everything. I'm just gonna leave the instruction things with it so that I can have a look at it when I get my glasses, but I'm just putting everything else in here for the time being, and I'll get back to you. So once again, for Change People's Tip, there is our instant Voltrex Plus air fryer unboxing. Okay, so as we always say on Trade People's Tips, if you're out there robbing people, stop doing it. There you go. After it's been on for a while and nothing happens, it switches itself off. I didn't really know that. Well, I don't know nothing about it. Yeah, I've just plugged it in. So we'll keep you updated. Yeah, from Trade People's Tips. Till next time, take care of yourself. Out there robbing people, stop doing it. People, see you again soon. Take care. Bye.